G'day guys and girls, I'm Jamie Gray and welcome to our very second BOC Welding Tips, and we've got Jimmy Sullman. How are you, Jimmy?
Good, mate, how are you?
S.W.A.T Fabrications. I'm great, mate. So look, we've got an awesome little machine here, Jimmy. What do you want to share with everyone about some of the specs and how this bad boy goes?
Today we're playing with the Ewn Pico Pulse machine. It's a 180 amp machine, generally used in lighter fabrication, up to 3-4 mil with the aluminium. Steel welding, stainless steel welding, a lot of the sheet metal fabricators and panel beaters and the like, shipbuilders.
Perfect.
And all that will find this machine great. We've been using it and it's an awesome little machine,
So what are some of the other standout features on this bad boy?
This machine has Puls, which is great with the aluminium welding, so it gives you less splatter as such. It can give you a neater weld and just give you a bit of force when you're trying to get that aluminium to penetrate into the aluminium.
Perfect. So Jimmy, what's the recommended wire size for this particular model?
This model here with the 180 amps, they recommend the 1 mil wire. It's probably the best. It's about mid amp range for this machine. So we ran the 1 mil wire today and it was really smooth. It was a really nice size. You could probably use the 1.2s and everything too if you need to get a slightly bigger weld profile and all that. This machine will definitely be capable of doing that, but 1 mil's like its bread and butter size.
Perfect. Awesome. So when you're going to be doing aluminium welding, I guess you've got to make sure your machine's configured right to start with. It's going to be a big one. What kind of process did you sort of do today?
So when you're using the aluminium wire, just remember you've got to change over your linear running gear. So you use different contact tips, you use a different liner, you use different rollers. So it's a Ugroove roller, which BOC supply all that kind of gear. So you just go in there and it's on the shelves there. You just buy the complete aluminium setup and just swap it straight over and off you go.
Perfect.
Today we're using the F3 Viper bottle, Argon, smaller size, inbuilt regulator, smaller than the G size cylinder, which makes it easy to get around for portability. It's got the inbuilt regulator, which is great for ease of maintenance and less damage.
So Jim, from an operational perspective, how did it actually feel and what did we do today to actually test out the machine and how she worked?
Today we welded some 3 mil aluminium, some sheet to some RHS for some spigots, and she felt really good. She ran really well, she ran really smooth. The pulse function helped a lot.
Excellent.
It made the weld.
It looked pretty tidy. It did take a little bit of fine tuning on the setup, but once you got it up and running, it was actually running really good, wasn't it?
It ran really smooth. It's a great machine.
Awesome. Excellent. Excellent. Well, look, guys and girls, thanks so much for tuning in for our very second BOC Welding Tips with Jimmy Sullman and the boys down at S.W.A.T Fabrications. Make sure you guys and girls stay really safe out there. We'll catch you next time.